Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can convert a PDF file to Word file. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go to this website. I love pdf.com/pdf to Word. I will leave the link in the description. And don't worry, it's completely free. Then you can upload your PDF file by clicking here. You can drag it and drop it. Also, you can share it from Google Drive and from Dropbox. For me, I will just click on select PDF file. Then let's choose a PDF file. Let's say this one, for example, or let's say this one. Click open, and now click on convert. Now, as you can see, you can click here to download it. You can share it on Google Drive, Dropbox, or share it as a link, and you can delete it, of course. Then click on save. As you can see, chatgpt.docs. Click save, and that's it. This is our file, our PDF file. It's now a Word file, as you can see here. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe if you are new. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.